Today we're going to go over how to use the RaceBase Drag Pro Logbook software. When we first open it, you'll notice that we already have some sample data input in here from the sample car, but we want to input data for our own car, so let's get started. First, we need to create a new car. You can do this by clicking on the car icon, then New, then type in the name and number for your car. Now that your car has been created, we're ready to start inputting in some run data. When we click on a new run, we will see that it will first ask you to select the event. By organizing your runs by event, we are able to keep things cleaner and easier to find. So let's cancel out of this and create a new event first. But once we are here, we see that we will have to input a track first. So let's cancel out of that and go to the new track. To create a new track, click on the tracks icon, then New, then fill out the track name, and you will have to put something in the address field. It can be as simple as a state if you'd like. Then hit Save and Close. Now that we have a track, we can have an event at that track. To do this, click on the Events icon, then New. Type in a race name. I would recommend something unique like Points Race Number 4 instead of just a lot of points race events. Then select the track the event is at. Next, we need to put in the dates. This field is a little sensitive, so be careful to make sure that the month is 2 digits, the day is 2 digits, and the year is 4 digits. The class variable does have to have a value selected, and you cannot add to the classes. However, this data isn't used anywhere, so just leave it on Superstock. Then select Save and Close. Now that we have a car, a track, and an event, we can finally add a run to it. In order to add a new run for the car we just created, we'll need to go up to the car drop-down list and select the car we created. To add a new run, click on the New Run icon, then select your event, car, and make sure your run number and date and time are correct. Next, we need to fill out the weather information. If you are inputting an older run and have the weather info, you can fill out the temp, humidity, and pressure, and it will automatically fill out the rest of the weather variables for you. If you have our new Race Air Cloud and want to import the weather, simply click on the Get button. A pop-up will appear telling you have to go to the weather software and click on the sample you want to import. So, if I bring up the weather program, I can expand the side here to expose the table of samples, find the exact time I want to import, and select one of the values. Once I do this, it has imported it to the Logbook software, and if I minimize my weather, you'll see that it now has the new weather information data. Finally, I can input the actual ET slip data. As you are inputting, you can hit the tab button to cycle through the fields quickly, and you'll see your intervals automatically filling out. If you are running 1/8 mile, then you can simply ignore the 1/4 mile fields. Once you are done, you can hit Save and Close. For more video tutorials, check out our website at computech.com.